Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, kamusta kayo dyan? So, pasensya na medyo late. Pero at least nandito na. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang energy check-in. Tsaka po pala gusto kong magpasalamat no, sa mga new subscriber natin, sa mga nag-like po, nag-comment, nag-share. Thank you so much po. Okay, kailangan tulong. So, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin Virgo. May naghihiling Virgo. Feeling drained ka ba? Sleepless nights, 9 to the 10 of swords, or maybe someone. Merong new beginning dito. Okay, nakita ko yung World card at saka yung Ace of Cups. So, tingnan natin. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? Sana po ay naririnig ako. Medyo mahina yung boses ko yata na kasi meron pantulog. Okay, so tingnan natin. Anong kaganapan? Ano ba yan? Dali nga. Four of Pentacles. Nine of Wands. So nakikita ko dito, Virgo, merong isang person, hindi ko alam kung sino ikaw or energy na connected sa'yo or maybe this is you. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. So with the Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, at saka Queen of Cups, meron ditong meron dito nagtitimpe. Okay. Parang napapahinga ng malalim. Kahit ano man ang sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon, Virgo, okay. Ikinikip mo yung self mo na stay calm. Okay? Maybe ikaw or person na basta humihinga ka ng malalim tapos nakikita ko dito hinahabaan mo pa yung pasensya mo. Gets mo? Okay. So, wounded warrior ka dito. Ang Nine of Wands is like going through a lot. Okay. So, pero nag-hold on ka sa compassionate side mo. Okay. Generosity side mo. Loving, caring. Okay. Wala po tayong gender sa energy ha. Maaaring lalaki kang nanonood nito. Isang once na lang sagad ka na. I think sagad ka na actually. Pero nag-hold on ka pa rin sa generosity, sa pagkamabait, pag-understanding. Nakapahinga ka na ng malalim na hindi mo kayang kontrolin ang outside reality. Ang kaya mong kontrolin, ang power mo dito is how you respond. Kung paano ka magre-respond sa sitwasyon. Okay. So, nag-decide ka na mag-respond ng in a loving and a bright side. Okay. Kahit na gaano kasama ang sitwasyon mo ngayon. Okay. So, with the Knight of Cups, meron ditong magsusuyo. Kasi kung malalaman mo kung sino yung person mo kasi mararamdaman nila yung kahit wala kang sinasabi. Like, silent ka or what. Basta. With the Knight of Cups, may maglalambing. May maglalambing or paglasing, dun ka lang malambing. Ay, Virgo. Meron ditong pasensya na hinahabaan ng kanyang pasensya. Page of Cups, Eight of Swords, the Moon card, Two of Swords, Six of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. So Virgo, merong stuck dito regarding sa bakit ang daming stuck ngayon? Or stuck mentality lang. Eight of Swords, Two of Swords, 8, 9, 10, 10 of Swords. Nakita natin kanina ng 10 of Swords. Merong sleepless nights dito, Virgo. Or meron ka dito with the Eight of Pentacles. Work, mga old or past application. Okay. With the Page of Cups, merong nagkakarash sa'yo dito na I think naghihintay lang na ma-unstuck ka or naghihintay lang na di ka maging busy. Basta naghihintay ng move dito. Bakit ko nasabing naghihintay? Kasi meron siyang secret kung makita mo. Page of Cups at saka the Moon card. So, ibig sabihin, admirer. Okay. Offer. Okay. Offer ng emotion. Kasi merong isda yung cup niya. Okay. Naghihintay ng gusto mag-offer ng emotion or admirer. Okay. But with the Eight of Swords at saka Two of Swords, stuck siya. In some point, kailangan niya mag-decision. Baka busy ka with the Eight of Pentacles or something. Hindi ka niya ma-approach. Kasi taas ng bakod mo with the Nine of Wands. So, hindi ko alam kung this person is connected sa isa sa mga nakakainisan mo. Okay. Or, hindi ko alam. Basta, maybe coworker or maybe family member, friendship, relationship, situationship. Judgment card. Ba't baligtad? And the second scenario na nakikita ko dito, kailangan mong mag-decision. Okay, meron ka sikreto dito, Virgo. Meron dito stuck on something. Okay. Kailangan mong mag-decision. Okay. Meron ka dito mga gustong mangyari. Okay. Mga idea from the past. Okay. Eight of Pentacles is all about work, working hard, creativity. But it's from the past experiences. Okay. Kailangan mo mag-decision. I think in a very secret. Para mo kinakausap ang sarili mo dito. Kinakausap mo ba sarili mo, Virgins? I think meron kang in some point meron kang stuck mentality. Or maybe physically, mentally, emotionally. Aside from that, meron ka ditong kinakainisan na admirer. Okay, or something suitor more. Basta tapos pinahabaan mo na ng pasensya mo. Okay. Tsaka I think gusto ng timing nito. Okay, naghihintay ng timing. Nine of Cups. The Magician. Tower. Empress. Unexpected. Mag-glow ka dito, Virgo. Kung nakikita mo yung yellow, puro yellow. Glowing. Okay. Dalawa na ang 9 mo. 99 may be significant or 9 plus 9 ilan? 18. 8 plus 1. 9 ulit. Oh. Tama ba? 9 plus 9, 18? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kaya nga eh. Saman kay duda pa. Sensya ang dami kasi scenario sa ulo ko eh. So, tingnan natin. What else? Merong glowing Virgo, may mina-manifest ka dito eh. Multiple source of income or 9 figures or 6 figures, Virgo. As I said kanina, meron kang experiences dito na mga from the past. Kailangan mo mag-decision kaya lang stuck ka pa. Okay, tapos merong sumasabay dito na mapapabuntong hininga ka. Okay. But with the Nine of Cups, you are focusing more on your goals, your dreams. Nasa iyo lahat ng tools, very unexpected. Ang Empress energy mo is gonna mag-a-accelerate. I mean, mararamdaman mo yung creativity at saka productivity dito with the Empress card. Tingnan natin. Ano pa? Hangman. King of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Tsaka Three of Pentacles. So, merong stuck ng Three of Swords. So, meron ditong bigo regarding sa collaboration. Okay. Pero tinitignan lang ang situation in a different perspective. Kasi kahit na-stuck to with the Hangman, Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords at saka the Hangman, stuck yan eh. But with the Five of Pentacles, tsaka Seven of Wands, ipupush pa rin. Kailangan i-push. Pero hindi mo to energy. Depende. Depende kung ikaw ay nasa sitwasyon na ganito. Kailangan mo ng partnership. You cannot do it alone, Virgo. Pero if you prefer, kung magpiprefer ka na working alone, much better. Okay. Pero meron dito kasing Three of Pentacles eh. So, just see the situation in a different perspective. Kung magkakaroon ka man ng teamwork or partnership, i-make sure mo doon sa someone na merong magpupush dito makipag-partnership kasi sa'yo eh. Kumbaga, just be careful lang sa mga idea na sinishare mo dito. Or, as I said, either way. Okay. Laging either way. Kung feeling mo ikaw ang side na napapabuntong hininga at saka gustong mag-create mag-isa, okay, pero paano ka mag-create kung wala kang connection? I mean, hindi ko naman sinabing kailangan mo ditong may gustong i-push ang sarili niya dito eh. Okay. Ikaw naman on the another hand, kasi feeling left out to eh, financially drained tong person na to kung sino man tong lalapit sa'yo. Ikaw dito, full of ideas, ang dami mong idea dito. Andyan sa'yo yung tools. Okay. So, meron dito gusto makapag-collaborate. Ikaw naman dito on the other hand, ang push ito eh, kasi King of Wands. Gagawin niya talaga, unstoppable yan. Kung ano man ang isinet niya sa mind niya, talagang gagawin niya. Okay. With the King of Wands. Ang Hangman naman is tinitingnan mo na lang ang sitwasyon in a different perspective. So, kailangan mo mag-decide here, Virgo. I think hihingi ito ng tulong eh. Okay. Meron siyang, hindi mo nakikita yung, I think kini-explain niya dito kung anong gusto niya mangyari. Okay, na makakatulong siya sa'yo ng ganito, ganyan. Kaya may decision making ka dito eh. Meron ka dito mga ideas regarding from the past experiences. Empress card is well experienced. When it comes to business, situation, mga ano na to, nag-hit rock bottom ng Empress, graduate na siya. Okay, so you are creating here. Creator ka ngayon, alchemist na sinasabi. Okay. But with the King of Wands, merong magpupush dito. Kasi itong kung sino man tong king, ang King of Wands is king, actually stable din siya, pero tsaka go-getter din, unstoppable. Pero ang kasunod niya kasi is Five of Pentacles, which is feeling left out. Hindi ko alam kung naghanap lang ng kasama or companion. or baka financially drained. Okay. So, nakikitaan ka niya na mas full of ideas ka. Kung nakikita mo, ang King of Wands is nakatingin sa Empress card. Wala pa tayong gender dito. Okay. So, hindi siguro alam nitong person na to na meron ka pang pinagdadaanan at the moment na kailangan mo magdesisyon kasi nakatago with the Moon card. Three of Swords, hindi ko alam kung bakit may Three of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Meron ditong heartbroken regarding sa mga um, kung paano ka mag-respond sa sitwasyon. Or maybe merong heartbroken dito, Three of Pentacles, Three of Swords. Hindi ko alam kung feeling rejected to by you or na-reject ka. Basta someone is rejected. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Feeling left out tapos Three of Swords. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Tinitingnan na lang ang sitwasyon in a different perspective dito. Virgo. The Devil card. The King of Swords. So, pay attention, Virgo, sa mga gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo na gustong i-push ang sarili nila sa mga sitwasyon na nagdadalawang isip ka kasi you know better. Okay. Together with the World card, gusto kong mag-start ng new beginning dito, clean slate, yung smooth. And then on another hand, meron ka ditong mga taong itatapon sa iyo, lalo na pay attention sa mga person from the past na magiget in the way. Okay. Feeling left out lang to kasi, tsaka financially drained. So, nakikita ka niya dito as a tool. Okay. But I think kinat off mo to. Very codependent, bro. Okay, new person man to, past person, pay attention. Lalo na ang sign mo dito is if someone wants to collaborate with you, Virgo, regarding sa negosyo or regarding sa kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Kasi this person is codependent at saka may tendency siyang di pure yung intention niya. Okay, ang The Devil card din, masasabi mong obsession, addiction, attachment, codependent, overindulging or nasusobrahan na talaga yung mapapahinga ka na lang talaga ng malalim. Kasi sumusobra na. Okay. So with the King of Swords, I think na piperceive ka nito is hindi mo siya kayang i-cut off. Ayaw ko ba? Kasi mabait ka lang with the Empress card. With the Queen of Cups, as I said kanina. Nag-hold on ka pa rin sa mabait mong side. Okay. But with the King of Swords, alam din naman ng person na to or nararamdaman ng person na to, new person man or past person, mararamdaman niya na kaya mong mag-cut off in any way, shape, or form anytime. Okay. King of Swords is a very analytical, smart mover, fast mover, cut off, no BS. Okay. Kind of energy. Okay. So, alam niya, meron kang side na King of Swords. Okay. So, pero lumilitaw yung Empress at saka yung abusado to eh. Pero with the World card, I think ikaw, Virgo, nasa sayo yan. Ending something in order to begin new one or travel, Virgo. Page of Swords is spying. Maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap, Virgo. Pag naganap na, let me know. Pag magaganap pa lang, antay-antay lang tayo. Or maybe kasalukuyan, just let me know in the comment below. Okay. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Swords. Ang benta mo sa 9, 9, 9, 9. Pero ang 9 kasi is malapit na siya sa completion. So, Nakuha mo lahat ng 9 eh. 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Swords, 9 of Wands. Nandito ng apat na 9. The Hermit card. 5 of Cups. 7 of Pentacles. So, merong nai-stress out dito, Virgo. The Lover's card, decision making. 2 of Swords, the Lover's card. Okay, so meron ditong nagdesisyon na tinitingnan kung tama ang magiging desisyon. The Hermit card is nag-introspect. Ayaw magsisi sa huli. Yun ang matinding ang analysis dito. Ayaw. Deep analyzation dito, Virgo, or deep realization. Look at the bigger picture. Kailangan mong matsyagin, maging alisto. Kung ang person or kung sino man yung lalapit sa iyo, new person or past person man, either way, use your own discernment. Okay, Virgo? Kasi dapat, ang meron kang 5 of Cups um, wag mong iabot sa punto na nag-invest ka ng time, effort, you know what I mean, tapos wala din. Ang independency mo dito, Virgo, actually, ang pagka-independent mo dito, may nai-stress, okay? Kasi hindi ka niya kayang kontrolin or hindi kayang kontrolin, hindi niya ma-manipulate ba? Kasi meron tayong Devil card, okay? Devil card at saka King of Swords. Ang tigas mong manipulahin, parang hindi na paras nung dati na open-open lang. Kasi may the 9 of Wands, guarded ka na. So, may nai-stress out dito na you're doing good, you can do your own thing, pay your own bills, smelling good, doing good. Okay, so with the 9 of Swords, meron nai-stress out dito, merong very regretful, nag-invest na ng time, effort dito, and then siguro meron naiisip niya na kayang-kaya mo talagang mag-cut off ng person nang walang pag-aalinlangan, okay. But at the same time, maybe you're dealing with someone here. Hindi ko alam kung bipolar to or what. The Lover's card is a decision making. So, merong in between, merong namagitan dito, Virgo. So, tingnan natin kung ano advice. A fiery climax approaches. A win-win outcome is in the forecast. Nothing is yet set in stone. Kaya meron kang decision making eh. Merong stuck dito, andito na naman tayo. Ayoko nga paulit-ulit na lang yung mga hindi makamove on, may babalik, pati ako rin din eh. Pero yun ang message, wala tayong magagawa. So, don't shoot the messenger. Ang energy, ang kulit talaga. Okay, kahit hindi na ako nag-upload ng ilang araw, but the energy is still there. Okay, this person is thinking about you, or maybe na-attract mo yung energy, maybe napupul mo yung energy ng ganitong klase. Okay, maybe you need to work something out, Virgo, sa sarili mo para maiba naman yung ma-attract mo. Okay. So, nothing is set in stone. Hindi to maka-move on. Pero, kung sino man tong person na to from the past, mess up to. Financially drained, feeling left out. Samantalang ikaw dito. Either way, please, either way, maaaring ikaw or person na connected sa'yo or sa environment mo. So, don't let your pride get in the way. Merong may ma-pride dito, ang taas ng pride, taas ng ego. Gusto niya siguro, siya pang suyuin mo, siya na nga mali. Okay. So, not yet set in stone, Virgo. So, kasi wala pa dito nagde-decision talaga. Malakas ang decision making. The Lover's card is decision making from relationship to another relationship. Meaning to say, hindi naman like lovers. Meaning to say, the things that you love, mga hobbies or something in that line. Okay. Or family. Okay, kailangan mo magdesisyon or someone kailangan magdesisyon. Uunahin ang sarili or mag in a relationship, you know what I mean? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. Sana naman naririnig ako, no? What is the advice here? Meron kang king, meron kang 8, king ulit, 8 to 7. So, 8 to 7 Virgo, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Okay. 8 to, lakas ng 9 sa'yo. I-check ko nga kung ano yung 9999. Okay. So, 8 to 7, meron kang mensahe dyan, maaaring makaresonate sa'yo. Okay, so this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Um, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.